welcome back to Twister Sister Studios. This week in the studio, I've got a brand new, adorable little Halloween puppy to show you. So this is another great design for parties and even line work. And it looks like this little puppy dog is wearing a cute little ghost costume. It's super adorable. So let me show you, it's really easy. I'm gonna start off with a white 260, left about a 3-inch tail on the end of there. And then I also have a brown 260 with about a 4-inch tail. It doesn't matter on this one so much. I'm gonna start with my brown balloon. We're gonna start at the beginning with a little pinch twist. So just make yourself a little round bubble, grab the knot and pull it down into that twist you made. There we go. And then we're going to squeeze it out a little bit and make a small loop for the first ear. Okay, we're gonna come over and do a spacer bubble. So just a small little spacer bubble. And then we're gonna do another small pinch twist. So a small round bubble, fold, and twist. And then we just need another loop the same size as this one. So go ahead and do that. Okay, once you have your little puppy dog ears, we're done with the rest of our brown, so you can break it off and save the rest for later. Now hold on to your little ears you made and grab your white 260. We're gonna start off on our white with just a loop for his snout. So fold your balloon over, grab the knot, twist it in, and pull it through to lock it in place. Okay, now we're gonna come up about 2 or 3 inches or so, make a twist, and then we're gonna take our ears and we're gonna place them right behind that bubble we just made, and then we're gonna sandwich them right in between the 2 white balloons. Okay, so go ahead and twist that all together, make his little puppy dog head. All right, you can kind of see it already. Now we're gonna do just a really simple body on this dog because you're not even gonna see the body so much. So I'm gonna do 2 simple legs, so about a 4-inch bubble, fold it up, same size bubble again, and we're gonna come out the back. Gonna go down about 3 or 4 inches again, and about 3 to 4 inch bubbles here and here. Okay. And we're gonna open up these back legs and just push them right over top of the front legs so that he's in a nice little sitting down position. If you wanna give his tail some curl, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, and there is our simple little 2 balloon dog. He's just missing a nose, so let's grab a black 260 scrap. Just put 1 little puff of air in there, let it out until you just have enough to make 1 little puppy dog nose. Do a nice double knot with both of your loose ends, and then cut off this longer tail. Okay, and now I'm just gonna thread that nozzle right through the loop that we have for his snout. But I'm not gonna secure this into anything yet because I might do something else in just a second. So just gonna leave that hanging out there for now. And I'm gonna draw his eyes on. Now, since my end game for this design is to make it look like this is a normal dog wearing a little ghost costume, I've started off with just 2 brown circles. So these are gonna be like the eye cutouts in the white sheet for his eyes. And then I'm gonna put his black eyes that I normally draw inside of those brown circles. Just like that. Now it's cute just like this, and you could use like a 5-inch round red or scrap 260 to give him a little tongue, and this would be a really cute puppy dog, but we have to do the thing that really makes it look like a ghost. So hold on. Go grab yourself a tissue, just a standard tissue from your tissue box. I like Puffs Plus because it doesn't make my nose sore, but whatever kind of tissues you have, go grab a tissue or a Kleenex if that's what you call them. And then we're gonna cut straight down the middle about halfway up the tissue, so like that. And then we're gonna put this onto our puppy dog, kind of coming around the front like it's a bib. Just pull it right around on either side of his head, and then we're gonna tuck it into the back, kind of wedge it up in between his head and his back. Okay, and now you have a super cute little ghost dog, puppy dog wearing a ghost costume. And again, you can finish this off with a tongue, or what I like to do to make it look like he's trick-or-treating is give him a little pumpkin to carry. So I'm going to blow up just a orange 160 a few times. And we're going to do a really simple, fast pumpkin here. So start with a pinch twist. I'm going to do, this is the same exact technique that I use on the Elegant Pumpkin tutorial that I uploaded a couple weeks ago. So I'm just going to make it small. So we're going to do 4 small little bubbles to start off with that are all the same size. So we've got our 4 bubbles there. We're going to come down with longer bubbles on either side of the pumpkin. So there's our longer bubbles. And then we're going to lock that all in with shorter bubbles going straight down the middle, under the bottom, and back up the other side. There you go. If you want to do another pinch twist on the top here, sometimes that's easier than just having the one little lonely pinch twist. You can go ahead and do that. But it works with one as well. So there we have our little 160 pumpkin. I'm going to get rid of the rest. I'm going to take the black that I have left over from his nose. We're going to wrap that into our pinch twist on top. And then we're going to make just a little loop for a handle. And then wrap the other side around. And you can hide the rest of it inside of the pumpkin. Maybe cut it off a little bit first and then hide any loose ends. So we've got a little pumpkin bucket for him to hold. And now, since I didn't secure this nozzle yet, what we can do is just hook that nozzle around the handle of our little pumpkin, and then we can pull that back inside of his head or his neck or something like that. And now you have a cute little trick-or-treating ghost dog holding his little pumpkin, ready to collect some treats. You can even draw a little face on the pumpkin. And there you have it! Isn't he so cute? This is a fun one to put on a stick. So because of the way he's sitting, you can just kind of push that stick up into his neck and then wedge it in between his 2 front legs. And it'll stay pretty firmly on that stick. And so this is a great one for people to be holding and carrying around at their fall festivals and events or birthday parties. I think people are really gonna love this one. So bring a tissue box with you to your next event. Give this a try. I do have clip art available for it. You can purchase the individual images on our store or get a membership to our clip art vault where you get access to any new clip art designs that I put out there. You have my full library of clip art available to you anytime you need it in our clip art vault. If this looks like the funnest way in the world to make money, you're right, because it is. This is the best job I ever had, was making balloon animals. It is the most rewarding, fulfilling, gratifying job I've ever had in my entire life, and I've worked a lot of places. And so if this seems like something you'd like to learn how to do and make money with, I've got a brand new course that I'm working on. You can get on the wait list. Just pop your email down in the link below underneath this video to get notified as soon as that course is ready. I'm going to take you from being a brand new beginner balloon twister all the way to being ready to your very first events. I'll teach you what you need to know, prepare you, and get you ready to start earning some extra income by making balloon animals. Plus, you always get to be at a party or an event. It's the funnest thing ever. So put your email address down in the link below, and I will make sure that you're the first to know when that's ready. I would love to see your little ghost dog balloons in our Facebook group this week, so please come on over and join us. It's a free group where everyone can share their work and get inspired and encourage each other and see what we are working on each week. And the link for that is also down in the description. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this week. If you do like the new Halloween gear, we have it available in our store. I created a lot of new Halloween designs for this year, so those are available at the Twister Sisters Studios store. You can go check them out, see what we've got, and then you can go to your parties in style this year too. All right, hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will look forward to seeing you guys again next week. Have a great week, everyone. Happy twisting. Bye.